To fix the please wait a few minutes before you try again error on Instagram. Follow these steps. First, understand that this error occurs when you have exceeded the allowed number of attempts to perform a specific action, such as logging in, posting, or liking. The primary cause of this issue is Instagram's security measures to prevent spam and abuse. When you encounter this error, it means your account has been temporarily restricted from performing the action. To resolve the issue, start by waiting for a few minutes as the error message suggests. This allows the temporary restriction to be lifted. If the issue persists, restart your device and try again. If you are still experiencing problems, check your internet connection to ensure it is stable. A poor connection can cause repeated failed attempts, triggering the error. Next, update your Instagram app to the latest version. Outdated apps can lead to compatibility issues and trigger the error. Additionally, clear the app's cache and data to remove any corrupted files that may be causing the issue. It is also important to be cautious with your account activity to avoid triggering the error in the future. Avoid excessive liking, commenting, or posting, as these actions can be seen as spam by Instagram's algorithms. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, consider contacting Instagram's support team for further assistance. They can help you identify and resolve any underlying issues with your account. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the please wait a few minutes before you try again error on Instagram and continue using the app without any issues. Remember to always use your account responsibly to avoid triggering Instagram's security measures.